Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. Some good progress being made. You can see the outline of the roundabout is established and the approach roads have got the curbs going in. So we'll have a quick look at it from all sides of the roundabout and we'll have a look at the work compounds also. This is flying towards Edgeley, just over the top of the Armoury pub, flying towards the AGK building. See, looks like nothing's ever happened, doesn't it? But obviously the roundabout's been established and quite a lot of the curbs are in. So looks like it just is ready for tarmacking. Probably a bit more to it than that, but it's just what it looks like from above. Same situation on the other side. This is flying from Edgeley towards the Armoury pub. This is flying backwards from the railway station towards Edgeley Park. This is looking at the compounds on the Edgeley side. This is flying backwards from Edgeley Park towards the railway station. Like I've said many a time on these videos, some decent progress. So just thought I'd get an overview going up to the legal height of 120 metres because it was pretty wind-free on this. Keep an eye on the channel for me, check out the previous videos, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone.